how to use CPAGRIP tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can use CPAGRIP to basically monetize your content. So firstly, come on to cpagrip.com. Then you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. So over here, you guys can see that you guys can firstly choose to become a publisher or become an advertiser. And then you guys are going to see benefits of both of those options. So once you guys choose either one of those options, after that, you guys are going to be able to sign up from over here. So you'll have to put in your first name, last name, company, website, address, and everything else that they are going to ask you. So once you guys are signed up, after that, you guys can use their content locker, their URL locker, their video locker, and also their offer walls and also virtual currency. So using all of these tools combined, you guys can start using CPAGRIP and you guys will be able to monetize everything that you want. So CPAGRIP's monetization tools are the best in the business. You guys can show your users the best offers available in their region through precise geo-targeting. And then after that, you guys can take a look at the different kinds to see what will fit best your website and promotional strategy. No matter what you choose, this tool will be aesthetically pleasing addition to your web content that will help you monetize it seamlessly. So that is how you guys can use CPAGRIP. This is absolutely wonderful. And if you guys run into any problems, simply click on contact and you guys can contact them if you guys have any problem or confusion. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.